Welcome to this video presentation here at Mac1 Cars. My name is Neil, and here we have the Hyundai i20 on a 10 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area of it first. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, which can be increased by folding down either of those 60/40 split folding rear seats as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. First of all, on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. On the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the center, you can see, firstly, the fuel gauge on the right-hand side, the coolant temperature gauge on the left-hand side. Within the speedometer over on that right-hand side, you can see the total miles of the car. They are 49,607. Also shows you what gear this car is in there. It's an automatic. We, of course, are in park at the moment. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have our stereo controls out here. The stereo itself is in the center, main volume for which is just there. These buttons will take you through your AM, FM radio, your CD player, your auxiliary input, and whatever mode you have it in, whatever setting you want to put it in, it will show up on this main screen just there. Below the stereo, we can divert the car's air to any position in the car here. Fan speed in the middle, and the temperature on the right-hand side. That's your air conditioning off. Back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you've set. You can obviously override any of this with the push of a button. We have some storage underneath that. At the very bottom, if I move the gear lever out of the way, we've got a auxiliary input. We've got the USB input as well. A cigarette lighter, which can be used as a 12-volt charging socket. Some storage, as you can see. And then the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. All the way back here, we've also got a couple of cup holders as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself, please feel free to give me a call here at Mac1 Cars. I'd love to hear from you. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give me a call here at Mac1 Cars. I'd love to hear from you soon.